This is the CUBETEK BT-B20, a Bluetooth audio transmitter designed to stream your TV audio wirelessly to Bluetooth earphones or speakers. It supports dual device pairing, allowing two Bluetooth audio devices to connect at the same time. In this video, we'll guide you through the complete setup process. First, kindly ensure all Bluetooth devices, CUBETEK, your Bluetooth earphones speakers are fully charged before we start the pairing process. To start steps of pairing and connecting cables, verify the audio out port on your TV projector. Step 1. Set the switch to TX mode on CUBETEK. Locate the TX-RX slide switch on the side of the BT-B20. Slide it to the TX transmitter position before powering on. Step 2. Connect the adapter to your TV. Choose one of the following cable options based on your TV ports. Option A. Optical port, recommended. Remove plastic caps on digital optical cable before inserting on TV and CUBETEK. Plug the digital optical cable into the TV's optical out port. Plug the other end into the TX input port on the BT-B20. Make sure they are locked and tightly pressed with no loose ends both sides, TV and CUBETEK. Option B. Earphone audio out aux port. Plug the 3.5mm audio cable into the TV's headphone jack. To verify the audio port on TV is audio out, you can also plug a wired earphone on the port of TV to check if you are getting sound from that port. If you are getting sound, that means it's correct port. Plug the other end into the aux port on the BT-B20. Step 3. Turn on the BT-B20. Slide the on-off button towards on. To power the device on, the LED lights will turn on and begin flashing. Indicators on CUBETEK flashing pairing and stable light on TX and opt or aux. Step 4. Enter pairing mode. Turn off all Bluetooth in the room, including mobile Bluetooth and even the Bluetooth earphones before starting to pair. Double-click the pairing button on the CUBETEK. Located on right side of CUBETEK, the last button, besides the play-pause button. The LED light will flash rapidly, indicating it is searching for devices. Place your Bluetooth earbuds into pairing mode. Refer to your earbuds manual, usually done by holding the button on the case or earbuds until a light flashes. Keep the earbuds within 1 meter, 3 feet, of the BT-B20. Wait a few seconds. The lights on both devices will stabilize once paired. Step 5. Pair two devices. Once one device is paired, repeat the pairing process to pair the second Bluetooth device like earphone earbuds. Step 6. Adjust TV audio settings. TV audio settings. Change audio from TV speaker to external speaker whether using optical or audio out. If you used the optical port, you must change your TV settings to hear sound. Open your TV's settings menu. Go to audio sound output and select optical digital out. Change the digital audio format from Dolby DTS to PCM or stereo. Thanks for watching.